That nigga from Inglewood families. Stupid ass.
What you say? Oh, look at these young niggas.
Said you from Inglewood families.
Man, shut your bitch ass up. I'm not lying.
Slime, don't even say nothing to me. You know how many times I kill you a day? Like it's actually
Oh,
embarrassing.
man.
Like,
Look,
remember that.
look, look. I ain't
I
gonna
kill
lie.
you so much. I kill you so much, bro. Like every time you slide, you die. I don't understand. You just never gonna get the message.
You can't fuck with me, bro.
Yeah, boy, them countdowns don't mean nothing to me. I told you I'm gonna spark you shit. You better leave me alone. As soon as you step
No, I
outside
ain't
the base.
saying what you talking about. Let me put that fire on you.
So, Trill, let me tell you a funny story. So, I was dealing with the troll Adolf Hitler, right? He was trying to VDM me. So, I had my taser out.
That little bro got his shit. Yeah, Jay, you hear what that nigga say to you, twin? You hear what that nigga say to you, twin? Tell that nigga something.
Go get your ass in the car, nigga.
Big brother. Your big brother,
You hear what that nigga
Takara,
say?
bitch too.
Damn. Damn. Dylan, this your Jakari, this your little brother?
You know my little brother Trigger happy. You better stop talking like that. It get
Oh yeah,
real wicked.
yeah, nigga, his little brother trigger happy, nigga.
You better know that. We'll do that.
Your ass don't even got an AK chase.
Already got his AK. He just started, nigga. Fuck you talking about, nigga.
Man,
Just
y'all
stop there and
so
stop the.
trying to keep going down. Trying to keep going.
You ain't going to jail, nigga. Fuck
Come
you,
on, bro.
twin.
Come on, we
Bro,
got
what's
stuff to
wrong
do
with
though.
you, man? Come on, bro.
Come on, Jay.
You ridiculous.
Go to jail.
I'm trying to go catch
We're
this
gonna
bitch
put
Lee,
your ass
bro.
in
Come
jail.
on, bro.
Going there on the HP.
Open carry, man.
Hey, come on, Jakari. My car. Jakari, come
Nigga,
ride my
fuck
car,
you.
Jakari.
Hey, bro.
Hey, I'm going to jail, y'all. I get out and kill your bitch ass. You know that. Yo,
What's up, nigga? Go kill my man.
She better tell her members chill the fuck out. I don't care if it's red tag or not. I'm finna start smoking all of they ass.
We.
So what? It sound like. Yeah, it sound like.
what's gonna take y'all out? Man, I'm about to check out scary ass out. My revenge took y'all scary ass out. You just stand there while I go straight. Oh, y'all ain't gotta do these, bro. Y'all got more. Y'all got more. Y'all got liquor versus fire, nigga. I'm the. Yo, I'm going to jail, y'all. Say, I don't know what the fuck I did. They ain't even tell me. Hey, what I'm going to jail for? You said what?
Boy.
I was coming from the, yeah. For real though. Hey, look. Hey, no, look. What I'm getting out there for? Hey, nigga, you don't hear me talking to you about? Alright, bro. Alright. Say that. I know about right, guys. What I'm getting locked up for, bro? What? You just said okay. Get your bitch ass on my face, hoe ass. Nigga. Wait till I get out of my life. I said what I'm getting locked up for. Yep, that's what I'm getting locked up for. Alright, bro.